Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So all you have to do in first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. Then you click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you come here to pointer control, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to automatically hit pointer, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean automatically hit pointer disable with us now. And here can you control your pointer size here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.